The health benefits of coconut oil include hair care, skin care, stress relief, cholesterol level maintenance, weight loss, boosted immune system, proper digestion, and regulated metabolism. It also provides relief from kidney problems, heart diseases, high blood pressure, diabetics, HIV, and cancer while helping to improve the dental quality and bone strength. These benefits of oil can be attributed to the presence of lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid and the respective properties such as antimicrobial, antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial, and soothing qualities. Coconut oil is extensively used in tropical countries like India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Philippines, etc., which have a good production of coconut oil. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and as a special limited time opportunity, we offer you great discounts on our best-selling Nature Green Coconut Oil today. All you have to do is go to naturegreencoconutoil.com and you can either click the link in the description below this video or you can type in your browser